Welcome back, everybody, in our race day vlog. We're starting a little late here, but we got mods, moss, trucks, and then street stocks with us here tonight. So looking forward to it. Got practice at well, we already went out for the first round of practice, but you'll see how that goes in a second, and we'll see you after that. Back with Jaden's food review.
What did we rank Plymouth?
8.3, I think. No, that was really
that was mod
6.7. I think.
I like the buns better.
Hey, they look pretty good.
Yeah, they look fancier.
All right.
Presentation wise, not the greatest.
Everyone, one bite. Everyone knows the rules. Yep. Oh, Owosso Speedway, by the way.
Owosso Speedway.
One bite. What happened to the one bite? What just happened? It just went out the window.
6.3.
6.3 underneath Plymouth.
Man, give me these.
All right. What's next? What's over in the box over there?
So they don't have mott sticks.
No mott sticks. So what do you get? French fries?
Got cheese curds.
Oh, cheese curds.
Close enough to
Dang.
mozzarella sticks.
Here's a salad. Those are definitely tater tots, if you ask me.
Presentation wise, ain't there?
All right.
Never seen a cubed cheese curd.
All right. This is running on for 2 minutes now. Oh. Oh.
Don't judge him till trying.
Don't judge a book by its cover, he
He's
says.
impressed.
8.5.
8.5.
Ooh.
Dang. Alrighty.
A little pricey, but
Yep. Oh yeah, you did.
$17.
Oh.
I also got a Gatorade too. It's not as expensive as Plymouth. It's actually 25 cents cheaper than Plymouth.
Oh, there you go.
So,
All right.
yeah.
Well, back to the racing
Next
action.
review.
Well, ended up P4 in qualifying / practice. Just gotta make a couple adjustments here and hopefully we can get a little bit better. We always tend to struggle here, so I mean, we're doing better than what we normally do here, so that's pretty good. So we're gonna make a change for this heat race and see how it goes. So get to the heat race. Well, I forgot to do a little update after the heat race there. We just struggled being a little too tight. Let the 17th car there by after a few laps, and then we ultimately just finished P2. So we made an adjustment for the feature. Actually, I don't even know what the adjustment was. The crew chief just decided to make adjustments without letting the driver know. So put it on the screen of what we're making for the feature, and yeah, we'll see you. up here at the Owosso Speedway. We kind of got held up there on the first initial start, and then fell back to I think about around 10th, and then I just picked them off, and then we got that crazy caution which we almost got involved in, and then yeah, the speedy dry on the bottom really helped us just to pick up top, and then kind of like just pick off a couple more, and then end up P3. So it was a good night for Owosso Speedway. Normally don't do horrible here, but looking forward to next week at Berlin, and yeah, can't thank Professional Sterilizer Services and Consulting, RSS Mobile Trailer Repair, Carney's Complete Auto Service, Hoak's Graphics. They help us a ton, and looking forward to Berlin, and we'll see you next week.